Hey guys, welcome to another Funky Friday. Today I got a great shuffle rhythm for you. This is something you definitely have to have in your bag. Kind of a mix between a shuffle feel, but a little bit funkier. All right, now I'm going to demonstrate this with an E9 chord, but you can really use any chord that you like. It's not about the chord voicing at all. Okay, so on beat 1, you're just going to play a down and an up strum, and that's on swinging eighth notes. So release the chord after the down strum and bring it back up. On beat 2, we're going to play a triplet, and what we're going to do is a down strum, an up strum, and another down strum. Triplet, right? But you're going to hit muted strings and only apply pressure on the middle strum, so on that up strum. So here's what we're going to have so far. Again. Down, up, down. And then you're going to repeat that on the next two beats, so beats 3 and 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that's all I'm going to do. I did it for the next measure as well. The only difference is on the very end in the last beat of the second measure, I just went up to an F9 chord, but that's optional. So all together, here is the rhythm. Again. Now let's repeat it and bring the tempo up a little bit. Bring it up. If you like this stuff, make sure you come by and check out Funky Friday All Access. You can get every Funky Friday going back, 8 years now, over 400 licks, just $5 a month. Thanks guys, and I'll see you next week.